Today is day 3 and we are switching hotels. The stay at the Drury was really nice. We really enjoyed it. I definitely recommend that hotel if you are looking for something that is not as expensive as a Disney hotel but has that Disney hotel feeling. I really truly believe they embodied that feeling at that hotel. You really do feel the magic there, even though it is not a Disney's hotel. They are partnered with Disney hotels, which is nice because you do get the early access in the mornings. So if you want to rope drop, you can definitely do that. But now we are going to the Disney Art of Animation Hotel. It is our first Disney hotel, so we're excited. We started the evening strong, my friends, because guess what? We got pixie dusted because we ended up getting upgraded to a suite. Can you believe that? As a family of 5, this was everything. We had originally booked just 1 bedroom with 2 queen beds, and to walk into this where you have a full kitchenette, big fridge compared to the tiny rooms, and 2 beds plus so much space for our things, our stroller. I mean, it was amazing. The kids absolutely loved the Lion King artwork. It was so adorable. After this, we decided to go have some lunch, and we ended up getting this refillable cup. Throughout the stay, you're allowed to refill as many times as you want. 100% recommend. This is the second magic we've gotten today. Besides our room upgrade, look at this. My son was looking at this with his little puppy eyes. They gave him this beautiful chocolate cupcake. This is the magic of Disney. I love it. Every single thing about it, I love it. After lunch, it was time to hit the parks. And what's nice about the Art of Animation is that you do have access to the Disney Skyliner. Now, something to note is that you do have to fold any wide double strollers. So if you are going to be using the Skyliner a lot, I recommend having one of these double strollers. You don't have to fold it. It makes your life 10 times easier, especially when you have little kids who are just going to be running left and right. So definitely a tip for you if you're staying on any of the resorts that have access to the Skyliner. Now, what's nice about the Skyliner is that you do have access to 2 parks. You can either go to Hollywood Studios or Epcot. And on this day, we decided to go to Hollywood Studios and check out one of my kids' favorite shows. Having the Skyliner as a mode of transportation from your hotel is game changer. I absolutely loved having this. It makes your life so much easier when you're trying to go to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. Now, the first thing to do once we arrived to Hollywood Studios was eat ice cream, because we all love ice cream. And then we joined the Disney Juniors Play and Dance Party. It's awesome for little kids. You have different characters who show up, including Mickey Mouse, and there's lots of bubbles. And let's be real, all little kids love bubbles. Once we got to see my main mouse, Mickey Mouse himself, we decided to go back to the hotel and have some naps because these kids definitely needed them. It was pretty hot and they were just starting to get a little cranky. By the time they woke up, it was already nighttime and we decided to walk around Art of Animation. They have this beautiful Radiator Springs area that have all the Cars characters, and my kids absolutely love that movie. So this was really fun to do. The night was pretty cool too, so it wasn't hot, we weren't sweaty, and it really immerses you into that movie. I really enjoyed walking here at night. And then to top it off, they have a movie on the lawn. They were showing Cars 2. And in front of the big movie screen, they had a huge checkerboard where my kids just played with the checkerboards by stacking them up and then knocking them down. It was really nice to just relax. That's what's nice about these Disney hotels. They have a lot of things for the kids to do and as well as you. So I loved the fact that we were able to just sit down, enjoy a movie with the baby, and just relax. Once we noticed that the kids started getting tired, we called it a night and went back to our hotel room for bedtime. Now, what's nice about this table is that it actually turns into a bed. Check this out. I mean, it literally is the coolest thing ever, and this is where my son actually slept. So these are the air bumpers that you can travel with. They're super compact, and as you can see, we place them under the sheets, and it creates this really nice bumper that allows your child to be secure. And we put one on each side, and then at the end, we actually add pillows. Any extra pillows that you're not using, usually they always come with like 4 pillows on a bed. We just place it right here. Just for the meantime, he's getting used to sleeping without, you know, a crib or being on the floor like he is at home. He has a low bed. But these are pretty cool, and you just blow them up. So this is what I mean by adding 2 pillows at the bottom, and then you place over the bed sheets, the bedding, and it creates like a little fort. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for Disney Day 4 coming next week. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.